Hello and welcome to my class. In today's video, we are going to learn about letters I, J, K and L. Its sounds and words, and you have to recognize the pictures and alphabets of things that start with each letter. Please listen carefully and repeat the sounds and words along with me. The name for this letter is I. It makes two sounds. The first sound it makes is I, and the second sound is E. E. Let's look at some words that start with this sound E and I. I is for ice cream. I, ice cream. I is for ice cream. I, ice cream. I is for India. E, India. I is for India. E, India. I is for igloo. E, igloo. I is for igloo. E, igloo. I is for inkpot. E, inkpot. I is for inkpot. E, inkpot. The name for this letter is J. Sound it make is J. J. Let's look at some words that start with this sound J. J is for jug. J, jug. J is for jug. J, jug. J is for joker. J, joker. J is for joker. J, joker. J is for jam. J, jam. J is for jam. J, jam. J is for jeep. J, jeep. J is for jeep. J, jeep. The name for this letter is K. Sound it make is K. Let's look at some words that start with this sound K. K is for kite. K, kite. K is for kite. K, kite. K is for key. K, key. K is for key. K, key. K is for king. K, king. K is for king. K, king. K is for kitten. K, kitten. K is for kitten. K, kitten. The name for this letter is L. Sound it make is L. 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 L is for lamp. L, lamp. L is for lamp. L, lamp. L is for leaf. L, leaf. L is for leaf. L, leaf. L is for lemon. L, lemon. L is for lemon. L, lemon. L is for legs. L, legs. L is for legs. L, legs. Thank you everyone for listening carefully and repeating the sounds and words along with me. Now I want all of you to get back to the beginning of the video and repeat it after me one more time. Thank you.